Mistress Justine Cross, and welcome to my beautiful space, Dungeon East. I have been a professional dominatrix for over 10 years, and I also do this in my personal life. So I've teamed up with Yandy to help you get started with some tips and tricks about BDSM. BDSM is an acronym, and it stands for bondage, dominance, sadomasochism. Everyone always asks, how do I get started? What I first recommend is having a pre-conversation about the conversation. For example, you can say, hey, I'd really like to try something kinky in the bedroom tonight. When is a good time to discuss that with you? And then you can sort of set a really nice container for you and your partner to talk about that. It prepares someone, it lets them know what's coming, it gets them excited. Maybe they can look up a few things before you talk about it and set up like a specific date and time to do that. Consent is always given as an enthusiastic yes. It can be withdrawn at any time. And just because you consented to something like, an hour ago or last week does not mean that you consent to it again. The negotiation is ongoing. You want to have that conversation, just asking things like likes, dislikes, limits, things that you don't want to do. This is so, so important. Sometimes it's like you're excited and you kind of want to try things, but you don't even know what those things are yet. And that's totally okay. You're going to find like the more you try stuff, the more you're going to figure out what it is you like and what it is you don't like. Sometimes you have a fantasy and it's much better in your head, and when you try it in real life, it doesn't quite work out. But here are some fun things to get you started. Yandy has this really fun box called the Box of Dares. So we pulled out a few. So this one was really fun. Make a naughty date night jar. We each have to put 5 ideas into the mix. Now let's pick one. This is a really good way to start brainstorming about what you think you might like to do, and whatever you pick, try it. Show me your best getting laid outfit. Okay, this is really fun for both people because I think that outfits obviously are so important. So, whatever that outfit is for you, whether it's like sexy lingerie or just pasties or a bathing suit, whatever makes you feel super sexy and empowered is what you should wear, and that way someone knows when it's time to get it on, to get laid, for both, all right? Yandy has some male lingerie that they're just rolling out too. So I always think playing with outfits is fun. So again, this is the Box of Dares, and you can, there's a huge roll in here. So this other little conversation starter is called Bound by Love. And inside of it, it includes some ties, a nice red tie, a blindfold, a die that has male and female symbols on it, and then it has these cards. So similar to the Box of Dares, you can just take these cards and, to get the party started, as it were. So have your lover tie you up while talking dirty to you. Again, everyone has a lot of different ideas of what dirty talk is, so it's really fun to talk to your partner about what you like to hear. Do you like to be called names? What kind of names are they? Do you like to be told that you're beautiful? Do you want to be told that you're dirty? Do you want to be told that you're an object? Do you want to be told that you're a goddess? There are so many different ways to talk about this. Desire begins in the mind. And also, it's really fun getting tied up. These are just a few ideas to get you started in the conversation of what you're going to do with your partner. I always say, why don't you try it like once or twice, or maybe for like 5, 10, 15 minutes to see if you like it, and then figure it out from there. But, have fun. I am Mistress Justine Cross, and thank you for listening to my intro to BDSM. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Yandy on YouTube, as well as checking out my curated collection of all the fun and sexy outfits that I'm going to be wearing in this series. You should also follow me on Instagram as the Justine Cross. And if you want some more serious, dedicated instruction, you can also find me on my OnlyFans as Justine Plays.
By checking it over. Hey guys, it's Anastasia Nova. Hey YouTube, it's Anastasia Nova, and if we left you satisfied, check out our channel. Don't forget to subscribe.